welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Face the Music. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by myself and Misty. It is all about music, mostly about songs, but there are some artists in here as well. We have a spreadsheet with over 300 prompts, and it is massive. It is massive, and then we do get some suggestions from people here or there, and we add those into the spreadsheet. So where Misty and I started it all, there is a lot of help from other people, and we hope to keep this going. If we don't keep it going, I will let you know at the finale. And of course, there's going to be a spreadsheet down below of everyone else that has joined in. And I personally am doing 6 songs at a time, or 6 prompts at a time, because I have so much stuff going on. I would love to do even more, but I got a lot going on, a lot of projects, and a very busy life. So I thought, I'm going to do 6. It makes it easy. And yeah, let's get into it. I do have 2 rollouts this update, so I will be doing 2 roll-ins as well. I'm going to go in order in which these products came in. And the first one is Crazy Train, and that is something you were crazy for buying. And I'm even more crazy because it's in here and I'm just not using it. I have a conflict with another project. I haven't decided if I'm going to roll this out or not. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. But yeah, it is definitely a conflict. We will see if I can get through that other product, but this project might end before I get through that other one because we are quickly running out of the year. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So this is the TG Bedhead Control Freak Serum. It is for frizz control and straightening. You can see I don't straighten too often, and we are in rain season right now. As you know, a lot of people in the southeast can attest because there's so many hurricanes going on, and that does work its way up the coast. So we get rain from those and other rain that we get from further west. This is just not the time of year that I'm going to be straightening my hair. If I straighten, it's going to be over winter when the humidity levels are significantly lower. So I don't know. Let me know what you think on this one, and I may swap it out and, you know, or change my usage goal to just using it a handful of times as opposed to attempting to finish it. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. All right, next one is Chameleon, and that is a product with a shift. So I brought in this Looksy Shadow in Shimmy. My goal is to use it 10 times. I have used it 9. If I could have just used it one more time, I would have been able to roll this one out as well, but it will be a rollout for next update. It is beautiful. I do actually have it on my inner corners today, so like I couldn't use it more than one time today. So yeah, I am sad that this isn't rolling out, but I do really like it. So I mean, in a way, I'm happy that it's still here, but it would have been nice to have another rollout. Next up is La Kamisa Negra, and that is a product you will miss when it's gone. And of course, it's my holy grail, the Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. Love it, love it, love it. I finished this, and the moment I finished it, I rolled another one into another project, so I don't have to miss it anytime soon, thankfully. So happy to have it done, and that is definitely going to be a repurchase when I run out of my backups. Next is I Like the Way You Move, and that is a product you want to move out of your collection. I have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch Press Powder in Blondie, and you can hear it moving around in there because it is so loose. This is what she looks like now. I do have to hold it because otherwise it will fall out. I have actually used it. I've used a little bit to Franken here or there too. And I have used it. As weird as it sounds, I use it to set my bronzer because I already have that warmth there anyway. So if I get a little extra with my bronzer, I will set the perimeter of my face with this. So it is getting some usage, but I really do need to Franken it, and I just haven't had time. There's a bunch of things that I've wanted to repress and Franken and everything else. And time is just not my friend right now, so hopefully I will be able to do that very soon. My next one is a rollout, and that is We Built the City, and that is a first step in your routine. So I brought in the eye primer from Essence. This is I Heart Stage. I liked it. It kind of reminded me of using a concealer, but it didn't crease like a concealer does, but that's just like the texture it had. but the finish was a little bit nicer on my oily eyelids. I did use this 10 times. That was my goal, to get it done 10 times. And yeah, I'm going to be rolling this out, and I will be putting it back into my collection. I eventually will pan that, but not this year, because I'm working on so many eyeshadow sticks that I didn't want to put an eyeshadow primer in, and then I would ignore my eyeshadow sticks, because I like to use those as bases as well. So that one is just going to have to go right back into my drawer. And the last one, Only the Lonely, and that is a one-of-a-kind product in your collection, body powder. This is it. This is all I have, and I inherited this from some family member or another, and I have very, very little left. I was here last month, and now I am down to here. I use this in my shoes, and it is going to be gone by the next update, which I will be very, very happy for. So let's get into my roll-ins. I'm going to do the screenshot or video of me rolling for new prompts. And I got the prompt 16 candles, and that is use any product 16 times. So I will be bringing in the Peace Out Retinol Face Stick. I did just finish an eye stick, so I'm kind of wondering if I'm going to like the face stick as much as the eye stick. And it's pretty much brand new, so I don't know how much product is in here. There's more than that. There's no point in me rolling it all the way up, because I'm not attempting to finish it. I only want to use it 16 times, and I figure in 16 uses, I probably will know if I like this one as much. So that is in for my 16 uses. And then the last prompt that I got is Last Resort, and that is a product you use because your favorite is unavailable. And I don't know if it's available in the stores or not. It is very hard to find, but this will have to do as a substitute. This is the Chapstick Classic Original, and my favorite is actually the Lip Seal, which is a lovely, lovely lip balm, but I have lip balms on my no-buy category, so it is not available for me to even purchase it if I could find it, which again, it is hard to find here. So I'm going to use up this chapstick. Normally I would roll it up and show you how much I have in it, but this one got left in a car and it's melted, so I actually have to melt this down, and I will find out how much is left in here, because there's probably some down in the base as well as stuck in the cap. I mean, it still smells fine, and I'm sure it still works fine. It just got melted from sitting in my car. And once I have it rolled down, I will put a line on it to let me know when I do my update how much I have used since this was melted back into here. Hopefully that made sense. It kind of makes sense in my brain, but who knows. It is late and I am tired, so you know, you never know what's going to fly out of my mouth. I do think I'm going to have rollouts for the next update. Definitely going to be this powder. It is going to be gone for sure, because I'm actually in shoe season, where normally I'm in sandal season. And yeah, I like to keep my shoes fresh. I don't know what I will do when I am done with all of my body powders, but I'm sure I will figure that out. I do think that I'm going to get my one last use on the Looksy Shimmy, and there is a very strong possibility, if I use it every other day, that I can have my 16 uses on the Retinol Face Stick by Peace Out. And yeah, I think I could very well have 3 rollouts by the next update, because I don't think that my Control Freak is going anywhere anytime soon. The chapstick, I'm sure there's more than I can use in a month. And the powder, yeah, she's hanging out for a little bit, because, you know, there's still a lot in there. Hopefully I will get some frankened, maybe even hit a pan by the next update. That would be really cool. All right, definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in down below. Like I said, there is a spreadsheet. Misty, my co-creator, she is going to be linked down below as well. If you want to join in, by all means, we would love to have you on this crazy painting journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.